Hi, I'm Ty. Thanks for being with us today. In this video series, you'll learn everything you need to know about the Phantom 3 Advanced and the Phantom 3 Professional. Follow along with us as we go from unboxing all the way to your maiden flight. We'll go over the basics so you can enjoy your new flying camera. But first of all, we'd like to thank you for choosing the Phantom 3. Our amazing designers and engineers have spent countless hours to bring you the latest in DJI technology so you can have an enjoyable experience. And remember, feel free to pause the video at any time and follow along with your own unboxing at home. All right, here we have the Phantom 3 Advanced, and here the Phantom 3 Professional. Both have all the same features other than the resolution of the camera, so for this tutorial video, I'll be going over it with the Professional model. And here's the aircraft. Each aircraft comes with an integrated gimbal and camera. Lens protection and gimbal clamp have been installed for protection during transport. Make sure you remove the gimbal clamp before every flight. You can reuse it for transport and storage. There's also a film to protect the lens. You can remove this now as well and discard the plastic piece. Now, note that each motor should have a warning label attached to it. The DJI Intelligent Flight Battery is pre-installed with an instructional sticker. All right, next we have the remote controller. And here is 2 sets of 4 propellers in an included soft bag. Each set has 2 silver and 2 black indicated propellers. 2 with a black indicator for clockwise rotation, and 2 with a silver indicator for counterclockwise rotation. Here's your charger box, which includes the charger and power cable, as well as your micro USB cable. Next, your accessory box. Now the bag inside this box includes your propeller wrench, spare landing pads, spare dampeners, and your anti-drop kit. And here we have the manuals, which include the quick start guide and the safety guidelines and disclaimer documents. Lastly, we have stickers, so you can choose your own color: gold, silver, red, and blue. All right, now that we've checked that everything's in the box, let's take a closer look at the aircraft itself.